Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss our topic fixed price contract. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and important with respect to project management and PMP. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start, friend. Fixed price contract. First of all, friend, this is a topic which we have taken it from PMPOK, Project Management Body of Knowledge, and if you are studying PMP and you are planning to give exam of PMP, so this is a very important topic. So let's start, friend. Fixed price contract. What it is? A fixed price contract is a type of contract in project management wherein the payment does not depend on the resources or the time spent. It involves setting fixed price for the product, service, or result defined in the contract. Okay, so that is called as the very simple example of very simple concept of fixed price contract. Let me give you a very simple example. For example, you want to travel from one location to another location A to location B, for example, and you are waiting on the taxi stand. Taxi came and then you talk with him that for example, if from going from location A to location B, the taxi driver will take, for example, $20 he will take, for example. So this and you agreed with it. So whatever the reason, like if there is any traffic there, if anything wrong, etc, etc, but he will take $20 from you. So to travel from location 1A to location B, he will take $20. So this is a very simple example of fixed price contract in which we decide a fixed price for the service, and time actually is not matter, actually the service matter here, and both parties agreed on a fixed price. So that is the concept, very simple example of fixed price contract. Many experts call a fixed price contract a lump sum contract as well. You use this contract when the scope of work is fixed. Once the contract is signed, the seller is contractually bound to complete the task within the agreed price and time. Therefore, the seller bears most of the risk here. Okay, seller is on the risk. Like for example, customer and vendor is on the solving is on contracting one thing. Okay, so vendor is on the risk side. This is a very important question with respect to PMP exam as well. You will see this question in the exam. In the fixed price contract, the seller is on the risk, like the vendor is on the risk. So there is no price negotiation unless the scope of work changes. Generally, outsourcing and turnkey procurement contracts are fixed price contract. This contract is useful with a well-defined scope. The types of fixed price contract is fixed price incentive fee. Fixed price incentive fee means that, for example, whatever the customer and vendor has made a contract of a fixed price contract, and they will give you customer will give you some incentive fee as well, like whatever the fixed price is plus some incentive fee, like performance based incentive. Fixed price award fee, similarly, like some award they will give you, for example, if the performance exceeds expectations, so additional amount, like for example 10% of the total price they will give you as a award fee. Fixed price economic price adjustment. This fixed price can be redetermined depending on the market price rate. Okay, so this is called as fixed price economic price adjustment. So these are the very simple three examples of three types of fixed price contracts. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.